Peace be with you. This is the greeting with which Jesus presents himself to his disciples. This is the greeting that the church every year reminds us to rediscover its beauty, to rediscover its significance, to rediscover the force, the strength that these words have even for us today, followers of Jesus. Peace be with you is a greeting that allows us to discover that following Jesus is an experience of light, that following Jesus is an experience of great encouragement, that following Jesus is an experience of joy. Light, courage, and joy is what we are called to discover today. Let this greeting be a source of encouragement to each and every one of us. Let it also be our prayer for so many of our sisters and brothers, amongst whom Father Tom Uthinalil, who only find in Jesus the source of their light, the source of their courage, the source of their joy. Peace be with each and every one of you. Happy Easter.